A very warm welcome to everyone. Today I will be discussing implementation of face recognition based attendance system using Python and machine learning. So here is our main project folder. So as you can see, this project needs Python to run. So we will be installing Python. This is the setup I have downloaded from the internet, python.org. So let's get started. I will install. Make sure to add Python 3.9 to path, so it is easy for Python to run on the PC. So we will install it and we will wait for installation. So now that it has finally installed, we will be closing the setup and heading over to the project file. So here is our main Python file which we will be running. So I am using Microsoft Visual Studio Code to run the file, and here is our project folder and the file. So first of all, we will be needing some commands. These are the libraries we have used to make this program. So I will be selecting them and copying them, and back to our uh, Visual Studio Code. We will be opening a CMD terminal, a new one. Yes, now we will be simply pasting them. Python will the command terminal will automatically start installing them. While they are installing, let me tell you the objectives of this project. We at times like these where viruses like corona are spreading vastly and killing number of people, uh, such a tool can come handy because it does not require any touches or anything, and the attendance can be taken by keeping distance from each other. So now that the libraries have installed, we will run the project. This is the GUI we have designed, and it is a very simple interface. This part is for new registrations, those who have not registered till now, and this is for already registered. They can directly take the attendance. So you can see it is showing -1. It starts with 0. So no profiles have been made. So if I will take attendance of myself now, you will see no name is displayed. When it recognizes me, you can see known is appearing here. So it doesn't recognize me yet. So I will be making my profile now. So I will simply add my details and take images. So it takes around 20 to 30 images to understand better the face recognition and layers. So now that it has taken images, we can save the profile now. Now when we click on save profile, prompt appears and it asks for the password. Password is cu_ece. So we will be entering the password and pressing OK, and we will see a 0 now. So one profile has been saved. So now that the profile is there, let me take the attendance now, and it recognizes me. So it has recognized me. I will simply press Q, and attendance has been recorded here for the date, and the time is also displayed. So we will quit the application now and return to our project folder. So here is our project folder, and here is the attendance folder. A Microsoft Excel sheet has been made, and we will see it is of the current date and time is recorded and my name and my UID has been recorded. So this is all about the project, and I'm sure you will like it, and credits will be mentioned after the video. Thank you.